Hello guys, welcome to Industry 360 and today's topic is classification versus regression. So let's try to understand what is classification and regression. The first is classification. Classification is the process of finding or discovering a model or function which helps in separating the data into multiple categorical classes. For example, discrete values in classification. Data is categorized under different labels according to some parameters given in input and then the labels are predicted for the data. The derived mapping function could be demonstrated in the form of if-then rules. The classification process deals with the problems where the data can be divided into binary or multiple discrete labels. Now let's try to understand what is regression. Regression is the process of finding a model or function for distinguishing the data into continuous real values instead of using classes or discrete values. It can also identify the distribution movement depending on the historical data. Because a regression predictive model predicts a quantity, therefore the skill of the model must be reported as an error in those predictions. Now let's try to understand the difference between classification and regression problems using a figure. As you can see in the first line, we are describing the classification. We have a student profile and the predicting student. The result is pass or fail. We are predicting the result of the student in pass or fail. That is the classification problem. In the second, we are predicting the result of the student in percentage. That is the regression problems. When we are predicting in variables like pass or fail, 0 and 1, that is known as classification problems. And when we are predicting some problems into continuous variables like in numbers are known as regression problems. So let's try to understand this example. In the regression, what is the temperature going to be tomorrow? It is predicting 84. That is a regression problem. The classification problem is will it be a cold or hot tomorrow? And the prediction will be in cold or hot. That is a classification problem. The algorithms which are included in regression and classification are in regression, linear regression, random forest, multivariate perceptron, ADA boost, gradient boosting, convolutional neural network, and in classification, logistic regression, binary dependent variable, decision tree, KNN, support vector machines, naive Bayes, and convolutional neural network. I hope you understand the difference between regression and classification. This is all from my side in this video. Thank you. This is Naman from Industry 360. Stay connected.